Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Finance Guru Institute, Oracle Fusion Financials. So today we are going to talk about how real-time project consultants and end users job roles and responsibilities. Okay, and what are the ticketing tools they will use in real-time project. Okay, what type of works they will perform from consultant side and end user side. Okay, and we are going with the support project. So there are various projects in the any project. There will be a different projects: support project, implementation project, enhancement projects. These are the different type of projects which will be handled by the in real time. Okay, now we are going with the support project. Okay, in support project there are multiple ticketing tools used by the business ticketing tools. These are the tools used by the business ticketing tools. Okay, these are Jira ticketing tool, ServiceNow ticketing tool, own ticketing tool. Means the client will develop a own ticketing tool for the end users as well as for the consultants. These ticketing tools are used on daily basis. Okay, like if there is any issue facing by end user, invoice creation, journal creation, payment creation, if any issues facing anything or any requirements, anything that want to log it in separate tool, at the time of that, here brings out Jira, ServiceNow, and own ticketing. They will log a ticket in the particular ticketing tool. Suppose ServiceNow, let's take a ServiceNow. In ServiceNow, this ServiceNow access will be given to the consultant as well as the end users. Okay. So any issue facing by end user will log a ticket in ServiceNow. Okay. So there are types of tickets we'll have, like incident. What is an incident? Suppose if a end user raised under a incident section, okay, in ServiceNow we have categories as well. In one of the categories is the incident category. Okay, type is the incident. Okay, if end user is raised incident under an incident category, that is issue type will be production issues, regular activities performed by end user. Means that invoice creation, invoice validation, okay, invoice payments, journal creation, okay, receipts, transactions, okay, reconciliation perform, whatever it be, whatever they perform, if they face any issue in the production level, they will raise under incident ticket. And the SLA means service level agreement. Okay, there is a priority as well. Each ticket there will be priority. So whenever there is an incident, if there is a production issues, it is a P1 and high priority. Okay, and there is a task as well, ticket type. Okay, routine work and small work. This will be SLA, like P3 medium means like any new customer creation, new supplier creation, new BU creation. These are the configuration. Okay, routine task. Okay, next there is a change request, means new requirements from client side. Okay, business side. Suppose they want a payment report, which is a new one. There are 100 fields. Now they want to add another 50 fields. Okay, and there is a functionality they want to configure it now. New functionality means it depends on the P1 and P3 how business request. Suppose if the business has raised a change request today, it has to go to multiple layers, multiple approval section. It has to go. Once it is approved, if business think that this is a high priority and they will have time 10 days, 15 days, how this can be achieved. Okay, when it can be completed. Okay, 10 days or 15 days. These are the support type project issues. Now, consultant job role for incident and task. Once any ticket, okay, raised by end user, okay, and it will be logged in the particular tool, okay, that will be accessible to the consultant as well as the end users. As soon as the end user raise that any ticket, our team lead, okay, and your project manager or maybe team lead will assign to the consultant. Okay, as soon as that is assigned to the any consultant, the consultant has to acknowledge the ticket first. Okay, status we have to keep as a in progress, and we have to mention we have received your request, we will be working on this issue, we'll get back to you soon as possible. Okay, There are few things in status also: on hold, closed, on hold status, working status, in progress. Consultant will analyze the issue. What type of issue that is that under particular incident means process issue, knowledge issue, application issue, incorrect data entered by the end user. That consultant will do the analysis and get the resolution. That issue has to be resolved as soon as possible. If it is P1 means 24 hours. Okay. Next, on hold. If there is any dependency from user side or maybe anything required, we can keep an on hold. Okay. Next, close. We have to close the ticket once the issue is fixed in the production. Okay. You have provided your resolution. Okay. Your inputs, everything. If end user is able to perform that activity, then you have to close that particular ticket and mentioning that issue is fixed, so on, so resolution provided. This is up to incident task. These two are involved in the consultant job role for incident and task. Next, there is a main thing, change request. Okay, consultant job role for change request. Okay, very important. So this is an architecture role. Any requirement, new requirement, functionalities, what the consultant has to do. Okay, that consultant has to schedule the call to understand the requirement from the business side. Okay. Next, once call is completed, once the requirement has been taken, okay, next consultant has to do the impact analysis on the requirement. Okay. Once the consultant does the impact analysis, then the consultant has to prepare a solution design document. Okay. Once he prepared that one, he has to send to the approval to the from client side, business side. Once the business provides approval, then consultant will start development in Dev and UAT. You will configure such a configuration as per the requirement. Then QA testing will be done by the same consultant, whether the functionality is working or not. Okay, and it will be documented. Then again in UAT, the consultant will deploy the same configuration and send to the end user to perform. Okay, for the UAT sign up. Okay. Next, once we get UAT sign up, okay, once end user confirm all the functionalities are working as per the requirement, then we get the UAT sign up from the business side. Then we need to move to production deployment. This configuration, this changes as per the requirement. This has to deploy in the production as well. Okay. Thank you, everyone.